Class, we are coming to the last kind of question for Trigo equation solving. Alright, the last kind is what I call the type 3 use of the formula. Okay, how do we know when we need to use the formula itself? The hint is very obvious. Okay, take a look at the question now. 2 cotangent square x is equal to 4 minus cosecant x. There are no like terms. Okay, but the hint is, if there is a square term, please make use of the formula sheet that is given on the front page, or if not, you can see inside your student handbook as well. And these are the 4 formulas that deals with square term. And these, or rather 3 formulas that deals with square term, and these are not new to you. So now, very quickly, take note, we're going to start our solving by copying the correct question. And please take note, in this question, we are making use of radian mode. Alright, because x lies between 0 to 2 pi. Now, the hint is cotangent square. Cotangent square can also be written as cosecant square minus 1. So let us rewrite this whole expression over here. After that, your job is very simple. Simplify everything and equate the right hand side to be equal to 0. Very quickly, you can see this. This is what we have obtained. Now, doesn't this look like a quadratic expression in terms of Trigo? Alright, if you really can't see, you can replace your cosecant square, cosecant by p. So if I were to simplify this, let p represent cosecant, this is what you have. And a quick factorization using trial and error. This is our result for trial and error, and remember, P represents cosecant. Now, put it back inside the question, alright, in terms of cosecant. Alright, this is our side working. It need not be shown. You can use it on the round paper or by the corner. It doesn't really matter. Now, the use of zero product rule, let's continue our solving. Okay, there's insufficient space over here. I'm going to continue my working over here. If you can see, cosecant x is actually 3 over 2. Please finish up this part first. Let us finish up this part before we do the second half of it. Alright? So continue. Cosecant can be written as 1 over sine. I want to make sine my name. After that, the use of basic angle. Take note, check that the mode of the calculator is actually at radian mode. Alright, now, since sine is positive, it means that it must lie inside the first as well as the second quadrant. Alright, this is 0 to pi. This will be pi over here. So, if it lies inside the first quadrant, it's 0 plus the basic angle. If it lies in the second quadrant, it's pi minus the basic angle. Okay, now we are done for the first part. second half of it. So cosecant x is actually equal to negative 2. 1 over sine x must be equal to negative 2. Similarly, sine x must be equal to negative half. Find out the basic angle. And please take note, this is very important. Even though this is a negative value, when you want to find the basic angle, you only use the absolute value over here, meaning you only use the positive value. Sine inverse of half. Because whether it's negative or positive, they will only tell you and determine which quadrant it lies in. So we only consider the absolute value. So in this case, same thing. Please calculate. This is what we have. And check. Sine is negative, meaning it must lie in the third as well as the fourth quadrant. If it's in the third quadrant, it's pi plus the basic angle. Likewise, if it's in the last quadrant, it must be 2 pi minus the basic angle. But we are not done. Why? These are two sets of solutions. Now your job is very important. Please combine both sets of solutions, and since this is in radian, round off to 3 mm. And please always start with the smallest value. And there you have it, 4 sets of answer over here. And we are done. Now, same thing. If you are able to understood what I have, or rather you are able to understand what I have said so far, I would like you to try this following question. Okay, obviously this is a type 3 question, make use of the formula. And if after solving, you are able to get this answer, congratulations, you are on the right track. And this concludes all kinds of questions for Trigo equation solving. Thank you.